Myself, Mr. Kiran Chinswalkar, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today we are in a workshop and now we are doing the drilling operation with tapping operation. Okay. Before starting this practical, we see the drawing. Here we can see the drawing. This is a MPR practical number 7 tapping operation we are doing. For tapping operation, this is a drawing. You can see this is a rectangular plate. A rectangular plate, there is a center. This size of this rectangular plate is 75 into 75 into 12. 75 mm length, 75 mm width, and 12 mm is thickness. Okay. So for this is a drawing, and we are doing a tapping operation at the center. Okay. So this is a drawing for the tapping operation. Now we see the various instruments required for this tapping operation. First we require, this is a center punch, then this is a hammer, straight hammer, and this is scale, and this is a tap wrench. Different tap wrench is required for tapping. Okay, this is third type. There are 3 types of tap. First step, second stage, and third stage. This is a 3 step we are using. This is a tap wrench. Now for marking purpose we are using this instrument. So first, this is the surface plate. Okay, this is a surface plate. This is made of cast iron. This is surface plate. Okay, on the surface plate, this is a height gauge. Height gauge are used for the marking purpose. You can see here there is a main scale, vertical main scale. This is in mm, and this is a vernier scale. Okay, and there is a pointer, a scriber pointer. Okay, for marking purpose. So basically height gauge are used for marking purpose. Okay, then there is a second instrument. This is a V block. V block are used for the support the your workpiece at the 90 degree and marking the rectangular dimensions, and this is are used for the marking of the plate. So now we see this is a raw material. Okay, 75 to 70 and 12 mm is thickness. So this are given to you. This is a raw material. Now sir, show the how to marking this. So first procedure is that first you apply chalk on the surface of the plate. First apply the chalk. After that place like vertical. Then you have to make center. So 75 mm is length and the center is we are making half. So 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. So you can see here there is a marking of 0 with 37.5. First you adjust in the height gauge. Then you with help of height gauge you do the marking. Okay. So 37.5 mm distance is marked on the workpiece, and after that tilt your job like this and also do the second marking. So this is a cross marking. You can see here this is you get center point, and with help of center punch we are doing center, and this is the centering. Then now we are doing drilling operation. Now we do the drilling operation. First adjust the center and without the drill bit, then we are doing the drilling operation. We are performed. Now we are hold this workpiece in a voice for tapping operation. We are already doing the drilling operation. After drilling, we are doing tapping operation. This is the first tap we are using. So this is a tapping operation. Move tap in a clockwise direction. So this is the first type of tap. One revolution in a clockwise and second revolution in a anti-clockwise. So in this way we are doing the tapping operation. Okay. And due to tapping operation is performed for making the internal threads in a plate and tapping is a secondary operation after drilling. So first we drill the hole and after that we are doing the tapping operation. So this is a, and after that you rotate the tap in anti-clockwise direction for removing this tap from the, this is a second tap. For finishing purpose we are using, and tap should be arranged in a proper direction and should be passed through the plate. And after that you rotate in an anti-clockwise direction and after you use the third tap for accurate threading. With help of third tap you get accurate threading in the plate, and it should be passed through this plate. In this way you move in a clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction and remove the tap flange from the plate. So in this way we are doing the tapping operation. This operation is also performed on a radial machine, but now we are doing the manually. So this is a tapping operation. You see that there is a internal threads. So in this way we do the job.